guys, what is up? It's your girl Nia from Charming Lashes, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing review, and I'm so excited because this company reached out to me and I can't wait to tell you guys what it is. But by the title you most likely know who I am unboxing. But before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you would like to see in my next video, and like this video. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Nia, welcome. So let's get straight into this video. So I received a package from London Lash and I'm so excited. Thank you guys for working with me. This is the box, you guys. It says London Lash on it. London Lash Professional Artistry. Super cute. When you open the box, it might be a little messy just because I already kind of took a sneak peek to see what it was because I was just too excited. And don't mind my lighting if it goes in and out, you guys. I'm using natural lighting today. But basically, once I opened the box, I got a cute little note, and it basically says, Dania, may your day be as beautiful as your lashes. So cute. It's a cute little thank you card. And it basically says, thank you, your order made our day. We hope that this makes yours, London Lash. So super cute. I love their packaging, you guys, and it's just so cute. So let's get straight into this package, right? So it is covered with this cute little red, like, crinkly paper. I have to like grab it in full because I don't want to make a mess in here. So the first thing I received is the London Lash Retention and Speed Booster. Now this is different. I've never seen something like this. And let me just let you guys know, their packaging is super bougie. Like, it's like expensive, okay? This is literally glass, I believe. Like, it's not plastic. And this is like the first packaging that I've ever received with this type of material bottle, so I thought that this was super cool. I'm excited to use this. I actually want to open it on camera because I'm wondering, how does this work? Okay, so it's basically like a little thing and then you push it like this and then it falls in. So cute. I like that. So basically you can use the booster with the micro brush on the natural lashes after the cleanser and primer, and you can also wipe a small amount of the booster over the base of the extensions on the strip to stop adhesive from closing the fan. That's really interesting. I've never seen something like this, so I'm definitely going to try this out. This is the London Lash Cleanser. Wow, this is different. So this is their cleanser, you guys. Looks like this. Let's have it focus. It's focusing on me. I don't want it to focus on me. There we go. So this is the London Lash Cleanser, you guys. Super different. I have yet to see a cleanser like this. I'm used to, and I'm pretty sure you guys are used to, a cleanser with like a pump bottle, and you basically just pump it and it comes out foamy and you wash your client's lashes. This right here, I'm not sure how this works. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to show you guys in the next video of me using these products, but this is basically just a show and tell. So I'm pretty sure it's just like the retention and speed booster just because it looks the same. So I'm really curious to see how this cleanser is gonna work. I definitely want to try it, so I'm going to show you guys how this works in my next video when I actually use their products. The thing they sent me was the London Lash Super Bonder. Now I love a great super bonder, you guys. I firmly believe in a super bonder to use after you lash, just to help maintain your retention as well as help cure your glue super fast for you, so you don't have to worry about your clients accidentally having a wet mistake where they go in a steamy shower, get a facial, go in the pool, yada yada. You know, you guys been there where your client gets in that situation. So definitely I recommend a super bonder. If you guys never received a super bonder before or never purchased one, look into it, do some research about it, and try it out because you just never know. This might maximize your retention. It definitely has maximized my retention, so I totally recommend a good super bonder. So I'm gonna try this out in the next video, and I want to let you guys know how it is. The thing with the next video is you guys might not receive it right away just because I will be testing these products out and using like 2 models in this in the next video just to show you guys what the retention looked like coming back. So that's gonna be a very exciting video. Stay tuned. I just noticed that all 3 bottles are basically the same. They look the same, so definitely make sure you're reading before you're applying to your clients so you don't get it mixed up. So this is how the London Lash Primer looks. It's in a cute bottle, and I love how this one has a white label with the gold strip, basically to help you realize this is the primer, this is not the cleanser, the booster, or the super bonder. This is the primer, okay? So it's super cute. I'm looking at the ingredients, and it basically has great ingredients for a primer, what I normally know as ingredients to be. So yeah, super excited to use this as well. I do have one more thing to show you that is along the lines of a liquid, and it is their adhesive. Now you guys, I have asked for this adhesive because I am so excited to try this adhesive. This is the London Lash Royal Bond. So this is how the package looks. It is so, I love the gold packaging. It's just so cute. It does give you the royal vibe. So yeah, they gave me this adhesive, and I've heard great things about this Royal Bond, you guys. I've seen so many lash artists use it on Instagram and TikTok and everything like that. So I definitely want to get my hands on this and start working on it ASAP. So it is saying that this glue works best in the room temperature between 20 and 22 degrees Celsius. And I believe that is 68 to 71 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely make sure your room is in that temperature range for you to even use this glue for the best results possible. As well as it says with the humidity level between 30 to 80%. So not 10%, not 90% or so. You want to work between these ranges just to get the best results out of this glue. So if you're working between 78 degrees Fahrenheit and you're wondering why the retention is still bad or why the retention isn't as good as it's promoting, check your thermometer, check your ThermoPro thing, which is this. I have it right here. You want to make sure you have one of these just to make sure you know that your glue is working in the proper temperature for it to work its best. They sent me Teflon eye patches. What I noticed is their eye patches are smaller than the normal eye patches that I use. So I'm so excited, and the material looks more jelly-like. So I'm super excited and curious to see how this works. Definitely gonna be using this in the next video as well to show you guys what goes on. I'm used to those big eye patches that I just buy from Amazon. They work perfectly fine for me, but I'm excited to try something new. It looks like it would be really comfortable for my clients, so definitely gonna try it out. Now let's move on to lashes. You guys, when I tell you this packaging looks so gorgeous, I was so excited to open it, and I had to like contain myself to not open it for you guys. So let me show you guys how this looks. So they sent me a London Lash Mayfair lashes, and I believe, okay, so this is a D curl in the diameter of 0.03, and the size is 8mm to 14mm, and this is how the box looks. So cute. So I finally get to open it, and I'm gonna open it on camera for you guys so you guys can see it. But before I do that, I want to show you, they sent me another one in a black box. So I was like, okay, they got two different colors going on. So this is the Chelsea Silk lashes, and this is how it looks. So cute. I'm so excited to try this. And this is in a CC curl. If you guys don't know, I personally love a great CC curl just to add with my D curl to get my nice little wispy effects and stuff like that. So can't wait to mix these two together and see what I get out with it. So this is in 0.04, and the mix is 8 to 13mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it on camera right now so I can show you guys and you guys can get my reaction. This is so, I love this. This is a matte box. It looks so classy and bougie. Like, I just love this vibe. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the inside has this cute, their cute logo. As you guys can see, it like shines. It kind of gives me like the Louis V type of style, but theirs is London Lash, or yeah, London Lash Professional, and that is so cute. You guys, see if you guys can see that. I want it to focus on here. So they are definitely super soft, you guys, and this is how they look. Just like that. and they are nice and dark, which is what I like. They are nice dark lashes, and let's open up the Mayfair lashes. I love opening a good package. Like, makes me feel like I'm getting a gift. This is how it looks without the packaging. It's a nice white matte box. Ooh, okay, so this one, oh, okay, so here's the difference with these two boxes that I noticed. This one opens like this. This one you have to slide to open. So let me make sure this is focused on here. So I have to pull it out like this. And ooh, okay. So this is how it looks. So cute. This is the box. Super dark and way softer. What I noticed is these are definitely softer than these, but they're both soft. So think of this like you're literally feeling a feather. They feel super light and everything like that, but I understand why, because these are 0.03s and these are a little bit thicker in diameter. These are 0.04, so it makes sense as to why these are softer and lighter. They also, oh, okay, cool. I just noticed they also sent me some more lashes, and basically they sent me another one of a D curl in the 0.04 and a C curl in a 0.03. So basically two of the both. So definitely excited to try these. Thank you so much, London Lash, for sending me all these amazing bougie looking products. These products look so good, you guys. Another thing I want to say that they got me, this doesn't pertain to lash products, but they sent me candy. They literally sent me candy, you guys, and I don't know if I ever explained my like type of obsession and stuff like that. I don't want to call it an obsession, but my favorite thing to eat, and it's candy. So the fact that they went out their way and sent me a little sweet treat in the package, that is super cute, and I totally appreciate it. I can't wait to try this. I want to give a huge shout out to London Lash for sending me all these amazing goodies. I am so excited to try these, you guys, and you will be seeing this in the next video of me basically updating you guys on how much I love the products and everything like that. But so far what I can tell you is this is a box of luxury, you guys. Like, these products are so classy and so beautiful. I love the gold detail on all the products. I love how this is basically glass. I love everything about the packaging down to the box. Like, everything was super well presented to me. The box came in great condition. Everything was just perfect. So thank you so much, London Lash, for sending me these goodies and giving me the opportunity to give you guys a review. So one last thing, they were super sweet enough to send me a coupon code for you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much, London Lash, for giving me this opportunity, as well as sending me a coupon code. You guys didn't have to do that, but the fact that they thought about you guys just shows that they are a really sweet company, and they're very thoughtful, and I'm so grateful for working for such an amazing company. So thank you so much, London Lash. Here is my coupon code for you guys. It is Charming15. The code will be down in the description box, as well as I'm definitely putting that on the screen because this is like my first coupon code. So thank you so much. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I will be uploading some great lash content for you guys, as well as like this video if you did enjoy it. Comment down below what company would you guys want to see me work with, as well as what company would you guys want me to purchase for you guys to see their quality. I'm pretty sure I really want to keep trying different companies and showing you guys if I like it and if it is approved in the lash community through me. So yeah, definitely want to try that out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.